This video is about how to use Google Classroom, created by Mithul Akshay. Classwork. A classwork page is being introduced, allowing teachers to organize assignments into modules and units. This frees up the stream section to be used purely as a discussion board and should reduce clutter for both students and teachers. Another improvement is the addition of a comment bank so that teachers can reuse feedback that they would otherwise have to keep typing out again and again. The redesigned grading tool can also switch between student files and submission without opening each file, speeding up the process. It's now compatible with Docs Editor, Office files, PDFs, video files, and more. Other new features include the ability to copy and reuse previous classwork with other classes, a streamlined settings page, and an option to turn off all notifications if you are not the lead teacher in a class. A classwork page to older classes, attach materials to those pages, and create quizzes in locked mode using Google Forms. Add topics to the classwork page. Think of topics as modules or units and the assignments or materials as individual lessons. You can reorder the posts under a topic and rearrange topics to follow your curriculum. Create and add topics. Click the class, select classwork section. At the top, click Create Topic. Enter the topic name and click Add. Students only see topics with published posts. Manage topics. You can see all your posts for a topic and quickly move between topics with the topic filters. In a class, click Classwork. To see all your posts for a topic, at the left, click a topic name. To return to all your topics, at the left, click All Topics. Material. As a classroom teacher, you can post resource materials such as syllabus, classroom roles, or topic-related reading to the classwork page. Like other types of posts on the classwork page, materials can be organized by topic, reordered, and scheduled to post later. Add materials. Click the class, select classwork section. At the top, click Create Material. Enter a title and a description. Add attachments. You can add Google Drive files, links, or YouTube videos to your materials. To upload a file, click Attach. Select the file and click Upload. Select the item and click Add. To attach a YouTube video, click YouTube. Click the video, Add. Assignments. Assignments are stored and graded on Google's G Suite of productivity application that allow collaboration between the teacher and the student or student to student. Instead of sharing documents that reside on students' Google Drive with the teacher, files are hosted on Students' Drive and then submitted for grading. Teachers may choose a file that can be treated as a template so that every student can edit their own copy and then turn back for a grade, instead of allowing all students to view, copy, or edit the same document. Students can also choose to attach additional documents from their drive to the assignment. Create an assignment. Click the class, select classwork section. At the top, click Create Assignment. Enter the title and any instructions. Post to one or more classes. Under For, click the down arrow. Select the class or classes you teach. Posts to multiple classes are shared with all students in the classes. You can't post to individual student across multiple classes. Posts to individual student. Click All Students option from the drop-down box to deselect all students. Select the student you want to post the assignment. Change the point value. You can change the point value of an assignment or make the assignment ungraded. By default, assignments are set at 100 points. Under points, click the value. Enter a new point value or select ungraded option. Add a due date or time. By default, an assignment has no due date. To change this and the due, click the down arrow. Next to no due date, click the down arrow. Click a date on the calendar. Create a quiz assignment. When you create a quiz assignment, Classroom creates a blank quiz using a Google form and attaches it to the assignment. You can then edit the quiz and add questions. Click The class, select classwork section. At the top, click create quiz assignment. Enter the title and any instruction. As a classroom teacher, you can post short answer or multiple choice question. After you post a question, you can track the number of students who have responded on the stream page. You can also draft questions to post later and post a question to individual student. After students complete and turn in their work, you can grade and return it to the students. Reuse a post. You can reuse an announcement, assignment or a question from a class. When you reuse a post, you can use it in the original class or in a different class. Make copies of any attachments including rubrics or new ones. Modify the post before you publish it. How to invite students to a class. Click the class you want to add students or a group of students to. At the top, click on the People tab. Under the Students section, you will find a plus symbol on the right. Enter the students' email addresses. Click on the Invite button. Invite a teacher to co-teach your class. Click the class you want to add co-teachers or groups to. At the top, click People. Click Invite Teachers. You can invite individual teachers or from the search results, click a teacher or group. Manually add students to Google Classroom. When enrolling your students, there are three options that you have: enroll code, add by email, or import via Google Classroom. To enroll students, select the classroom you want to add them from the main page of your dashboard. Then click on the Students tab. Finally, click Add Students. Google Classroom supports many grading schemes. Teachers have the option to attach files to the assignment which students can view, edit, or get an individual copy. Students can create files and then attach them to the assignment if a copy of file wasn't created by the teacher. The option to monitor the progress of each student on the assignment where they can make comments and edit. Turned-in assignments can be graded by the teacher and returned with comments to allow the student to revise the assignment and turn back in. Once graded, assignment can be only edited by the teacher unless the teacher turns the assignment back in. Communication. Announcements can be posted by teachers to the class stream, which can be commented on by students, allowing for two-way communications between the teacher and students. Students can also post to the class stream but won't be as high of a priority as an announcement by a teacher and can be moderated. Multiple types of media from Google products such as YouTube videos and Google Drive files can be attached to announcements and post to share content. Gmail also provides email options for teachers to send emails to one or more students in the Google Classroom interface. Menu. Go to the menu in the top left and select Assignments. There are two tabs at the top of this page. To do. Here, students can see a list of all the assignments that they are pending, including the title, class name, and due date. Click on the assignment name to go directly to that assignment detail page. Options visible to the students in classroom. Class comments are viewable by the teacher and all students in the class. If the announcement has attachments, the students can also view the files, links, or videos. Students' view of question in the stream. When a discussion question has been assigned to students, it will immediately appear to students. Submit assignments in Google Classroom. Students turn in their assignments. The students can attach files, links, or images to their work. After the student turns in a file from Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, only the teacher has edit access and can make any changes. Students archive classes on Google Classroom. Archive or delete a class. When you're done teaching a class, you can archive it. When a class is archived, it is archived for all students and teachers in the class. If you don't archive a class, students and teachers in the class continue to see it on their classes page.